The powerful new James Webb Space Telescope has captured its first starlight, a milestone for the $10 billion space observatory, but it's not yet sending home the kind of breathtaking vistas of the cosmos that astronomers hope to unveil this summer. That's because the telescope's 18 gold-coated, hexagonal mirror segments aren't yet perfectly aligned and are basically acting like separate telescopes. When astronomers point the observatory at a bright single star, the mirror segments each capture a different vision of that one celestial object, and the images are all out of focus and distorted. One mosaic released by NASA, for example, looks like just a dark sky speckled with 18 little dots. Each dot is a different view of the same star, and each is labeled with the name of the mirror segment that captured it. Images like these are incredibly important as mission managers start to carefully adjust the position of each mirror segment to get them working as one giant mirror that's 21 feet across. This amazing telescope has not only spread its wings, but it has now opened its eyes, says Lee Feinberg, Webb's. It is still early, but we are very encouraged with what we are seeing. So far there is no sign of any major flaw, like the one that troubled the Hubble Space Telescope before astronauts went up and fixed it. But Feinberg cautions that there is still plenty of work ahead. He thinks they won't know for sure that everything is okay until some fine-tuning that should occur in March. The first light came into the telescope's main imager, a near-infrared camera called NIRCam, early on the morning on February 2nd. Scientists gathered at the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore to watch and cheer. The excitement of finally getting some light through the telescope onto NIRCam's detectors was really hard to express, says Marcia Rieke, principal investigator for NIRCam and Regents professor of astronomy. This place was a giant celebration because the light had made it and we were super-duper happy. The very first images were just a quick engineering check to make sure that nothing was blocking the path of light into the detector. We got beautiful, at least beautiful to a person who has worked on NIRCam for a long time, images, says Rieke. After all these years, to actually see data when we are in zero gravity, in space, it is emotional, says Feinberg. In the room, when we were looking at the data, people were really excited. But, we still are being a little cautious because we still have things that we have to get through.